Hi there, this is Gary Ryan Blair, and today I'm going to explain to you why LeBron James does not do the laundry. See, focus is a language that speaks simply and eloquently to the fundamental human similarity between people. And why is that? Well, because everybody struggles with it. And that's precisely why I want to share with you a simple, profound, and counterintuitive strategy that highlights a connection between focus, core strengths, and greatness. Now, this one's a keeper, so I want you to listen carefully and reflect deliberately. It's just like they used to say in the old Maxwell Coffee ads. It's good to the last drop. See, one of the things I learned from working with Navy SEALs, professional Olympic athletes, artists, and other elite performers is that they only do two things. See, LeBron James plays basketball, and he prepares to play basketball. Nothing else. He does not do the laundry. Frank Sinatra sings, and he prepares to sing. That's it. He does not move the piano. Michelle Kwan skates, and she prepares to skate. She does not drive the Zamboni. Michael Phelps, he swims, and he prepares to swim. He does not check the chlorine levels in the pool. Serena Williams plays tennis, and she prepares to play tennis. She does not sweep the court, nor fetch balls. Navy SEALs, Green Berets, Army Recons, they execute black operations, and they prepare to execute black operations. See, the common element that's shared by all of these elite performers is that they have each identified their core strengths and they remain focused on them. And as a result, they play to their strengths. And most importantly, they've learned how to unleash their greatness. So what exactly does this have to do with you? See, greatness demands that we actively manage ourselves. And that means we have to place ourselves where we can make the greatest contribution. We have to know our core strengths so that we know where we belong. We have to focus our time and our energy on high payoff activities and priorities. And most importantly, we have to embrace the truth that it is our destiny to unleash our greatness. And that is what I want to talk about right now. See, spending more time doing the things that you love to do and are great at brings you increased energy, increased confidence, and the ability to create more value for others, which will lead to more productive relationships and a far more fulfilling life. See, each of us is completely unique. And if we're ever to give our gift to the world, it will have to come out of our own experience and the fulfillment of our own core strengths. So let's talk about identifying your core strengths. So your core strengths comprise of four foundational pillars. They represent the guiding principles on which your ability to maximize your performance is based. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to use the following acronym, CORE, C-O-R-E, to help you uncover your core strengths. The C, well, that stands for confidence. See, core strengths provide an indomitable feeling of confidence in your ability to produce and deliver quality and consistent results. You possess the internal faith and the belief that you can and that you will be successful. So the question you need to answer is, in what areas are you most confident in your ability to succeed? The O in the word core stands for optimism. Core strengths are saturated with an attitude of optimism. And optimism is a general disposition to expect the best possible outcome in any given situation. It's a belief that your future will contain the positive outcomes that you desire. Optimists are people who believe that through positive action in their communities, in their business, and their personal life, that they can create a better tomorrow. So the question for you is, in what areas of your life are you most optimistic about creating greater value? The R in the word core stands for relaxation. See, core strengths operate best in a relaxed state. And the word relax has a lot to do with being unaffected, easy, spontaneous, and operating in flow. And once you're able to tap your core strengths, you will enjoy a mental state of quietness, calmness, serenity, and peace. Time will pass quickly and your work will feel more like play. So, in what areas do you feel the greatest state of relaxation and a wonderful sense of flow? And that brings us to E, the final E in the word core. See, core strengths are driven by boundless enthusiasm. It's an inspiring zeal that delivers inspiring results, as nothing great was ever accomplished without enthusiasm. And your passion, your desire and hunger about being involved in something of importance will unleash your core strengths. So in what areas are you most enthusiastic and passionate? See, the true professionals, the elite performers, they identify their core strengths. They stay focused on what it is they do best. They surround themselves with others who play to their strengths, and by doing so, they've learned to unleash their greatness. So let's wrap this up with one last example. Jimi Hendrix does two things. He plays the guitar, and he prepares to play the guitar. That's it. And that is why he's considered the greatest guitarist of all time. Now, learning how to tap into your core strengths is just one of the many important lessons you'll learn once you begin the 100-Day Challenge. So check it out at 100daychallenge.com and make it the very next thing you do.